Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer shipping rates to Shippo from ShipStation. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, log into your ShipStation account. Navigate to the settings section on the left sidebar. Click on shipping to access the shipping settings. Select carrier and fulfillment from the drop-down menu. Look for the option labeled edit next to the carrier you want to transfer rates from. Take note of the settings for that carrier, including account details and any specific configurations. Next, open a new tab and log into your Shippo account. From the Shippo dashboard, locate the Settings tab in the sidebar. Click on Carriers to view your connected carrier accounts. Select Add Carrier if you need to set up a new connection. You will see a list of supported carriers. Choose the one that matches your ShipStation account. Enter the credentials from your ShipStation carrier settings. Ensure you configure any necessary shipping options, such as package types or handling fees. Save the settings to establish the connection between Shippo and your chosen carrier. Now, return to ShipStation and verify that the rates reflect the changes made. You can test the setup by creating a mock shipment to see the transferred rates. Finally, adjust any additional settings in Shippo as needed for your shipping preferences. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.